Welcome back to our channel.
K.
Welcome back to our channel.
K.
Welcome back to our very good YouTube channel. Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to our channel. You want to tell them before we go in?
Yeah, so if you're wondering, this is actually a lion's figure. I bought it somewhere and it's really cool and I really like lions, so yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be cooking a very different food that is easy. Most people know how to do it, but some people don't know. So in case you don't know how to do this plantain, we're going to fry this plantain and we have egg here. So stick around and watch this video to the end. I'm going to teach you how to make delicious fried plantain, egg, and with these tomatoes, it's going to turn out very good. You're going to like it. You're going to enjoy it. It's very delicious. It's one of the meals that my family like to have, especially my daughter. So I want you to stick. I've not really posted more video on this channel as we intended to do earlier, because we have another channel which is the Elite Family. That is our normal usual channel. We post a lot of videos there every week. So this channel was usually was created just for only the food. But because you know life is busy, we have other things we are doing. We could not continue. But I thought of it, yeah, this year 2021, why not? Let's try and work more on our YouTube channel. So trust me guys, at least once a week we're going to be posting one video or two on this cooking channel, because I cook every day and I love to cook, and my food are very yummy, and it's an easy style that you can practice with your family, with your friends, that you can learn from. So this week we're going to be doing fried plantain. This is normal plantain. You can get it in the grocery store, in African Caribbean grocery store, Asian grocery store. It's a fried plantain. There is green plantain. If you don't know, the weather is coming cold. So this one, when I bought it, it was really green. So you have to keep it. Don't put it in the fridge. Just put it in a dry place, and maybe give it a couple of days, like 2, 3, 4 days. It's gonna ripe, and it might not be all nice and yellow because it was green. That's why you can see all this bright black around it, but it's very, very soft. It's ready to be fried. And I have egg, because my kids love eggs, so I will only eat egg white. So once we take out all the yolk, it's going to be little, very little. So I have 10 eggs here, then I'm going to remove all the yolk. We only do egg white here, so that's why you have all the eggs. It's not yet time for cracking. So we have red pepper, which is bell pepper. I'm just going to use one, and I have onion, 1 onion and 3 tomatoes. Yeah, so I'm going to be using this particular bowl for the plantain and this for the egg. So that's why I have these 2 bowls here. This is Maggi. I like my egg. I'm going to make this one into sauce. Yeah, this is sauce. So I'm going to make sauce first, then before I pour the egg. So that's why I have. So I hope you enjoy this video. So in case you want to see how it ends, I want you to continue watching this video as we go in. We love you. Keep watching.
All right, so first we are going to chop up the garlic. So the garlic head things have been chopped off, and now we're just chopping it off in the chopper blender. Just secure the lid and chop it till it's perfect. Now that it's done, just put it on a side of a plate or set it to the side. Now we are blending the onion, so I'm going to use the chopper blender to blend. I did the garlic already. We're going to do onions, the tomatoes, and the bell peppers. So this chopper blender link will be in the description down below. We got it from Amazon. It's very efficient, so it'll be in the description down below if you want to buy it. So the onions are chopped. It literally only takes like 30 seconds, and just put it on the side of the plate. It's really easy and it makes cooking very fast. So all this is you're going to be used in the egg sauce, which is the egg that we're going to use to eat the plantain. Now that we're done blending all the tomatoes, onions, and garlic, we're gonna work on the plantain. So you wanna cut off both ends of the plantain and put a line down the middle, and then you can unwrap the plantain, and then that's what we're gonna do for now. Now that it's all they're unwrapped, we're going to cut the plantain. Now keep in mind, however you cut the plantain, it's how it's gonna come out. However you shape it, it's how it's gonna look when it's fried. This is the first way that you can cut it. You can cut it on the cutting board in this oval diamond kind of shape. Or you can do it in your hands if you're pretty good and comfortable at cutting. I always prefer using a cutting board, but my mom is really good, so she can cut on her hand. Be careful not to cut yourself. So this is the circle way, which is my favorite. It's basically a circle. It's, I believe, the easiest to cut, and it will come out in a circle. I mean, if you had time, you can even use our heart-shaped cutter to cut it, and it will turn out as hearts. That would look really nice, but I'm just telling you that it'll come out in the shape of anything you cut. It's a really delicious, easy, and healthy meal besides the oil, but it's pretty easy and delicious. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on your post notifications so you're always notified when we upload new videos. Alright, so it's now time to crack the eggs. You do not want to crack it directly in there. No. So we are going to use only egg whites. So we are filtering just the egg whites and making sure no yolk goes in there. Unfortunately, some yolk got in there. So if yolk gets in there, just use a part of the eggshell to scoop it out. It works. So that's what you can do if you get a bit of egg yolk in your egg whites. I mean, if you only use egg whites, you could just buy white eggs, but we do use yolk. Like if we're making normal scrambled eggs, we would use yolk. It's just for this recipe, we only use egg whites. So just try your best to not get any yolk in there. Now we are done prepping all of our ingredients. We got the tomatoes, garlic, onions, and pepper, egg yolks, and plantain. First, we're going to start off with heating our pan with oil. It is heated right now on a high of 9. When the oil is ready, put your plantain in. Keep a close eye on it to make sure it doesn't burn, and just stir it so it doesn't stick to each other. We'll see you when it's nice and brown or nearly done. Alright, it's perfectly brown. You could make, if you want it lighter, you can make it stay less in the oil. If you want to make it darker, you can keep it longer in the oil. Right now this is perfect, just nice and golden. You want it at that. I mean, unless you prefer a different plantain, but this is what we like. And just drain the oil and put it on a plate. I recommend having a napkin underneath just to like soak up all the oil. I recommend, if you don't have enough space, to do it in different batches and don't just soak everything on it. Do it in different batches so everything is evenly cooked. Alright, so now we're making the sauce for the egg. First, you're going to add your onion and your garlic. Then we are going to add our tomatoes and bell pepper. This looks so good, and it's gonna taste so good with the egg. That's the sauce is just so good. It smells so good right now. Oh, it's gonna taste even better with seasoning. All right, talking about seasoning, we're gonna add seasoning now. Now we're adding Maggi. You wanna evenly distribute it. Add as much as you think you will need according to the quantity of your food. Next, we're going to add salt. You know, salt makes everything taste better. So we're going to add it again, evenly distribute it. Perfecto. All right, so it looks so good. So after you add your seasoning, you want to mix it together, and trust me, you'll know when it's ready. Right, so now when it's like this, it's perfect. You know, all the colors are like mixed together, merged together, and it's so nice. So now it's time to add your egg whites. So we're gonna add that right in the middle and kind of just let it cook. Like it's gonna be like scrambled eggs, but let it cook before you scramble the eggs. Oh my goodness, it looks so cool in the middle. That looks so cool, but you want to let it cook and then you scramble your eggs. So you don't only need to use it for plantain, you can use it for bread, yam, anything really. Look at the funny shape. Trust me, this is going to taste so good because my mom's like the best cook ever. It's going to taste so good. So now that it looks like this, it's time to scramble the eggs. Now you can scramble it, like distribute it. And as you see how my mom's turning it, if you can do it like that, try to do it like that. Or you can just scramble it when you know that it's nicely cooked. Also, if you're wondering why the egg is moving so freely, it's because we are using the blue diamond pan. It's a new pan my mom just got for Christmas. It really helps. It's non-stick, and it really just helps your food not stick. When the egg looks like this, that you know you're done scrambling the egg. Is scrambling even a word? If it's not, I just made it up, and it's my new word. So, if it's not a word. So, once it looks like this, you know it's ready to plate. So, put it on a plate and enjoy! So right now, I'm just putting it on a plate. Look how nice it looks. So if you are getting a lot of oil on the plate, you could just drain it, or what's the word? Just drain it. This is the finishing part. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on your post notifications so you're always notified when we upload new videos. This is the egg and the plantain, and it's so delicious. Also, this is the blue diamond pan. Link will be in the description down below. Check it out if you want to, and we hope you enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed the